There's like bait fish. I don't know what else is in here, and I'm about to find out. See what we can get. Some big ones in here. Oh. Those are too small. There's really small ones in here, but I need to get the bigger ones. They're going nuts. Oh, I missed one. Crap. That's so cool seeing them eat it. Where are the big ones at? They all go nuts. See if these big ones get it. No, not a little guy. Yes, got one. Look at that. You know it's a little tiny one, but I mean, just a little guy. So basically, with these, you can use them as bait. I use them for catfish, bass, whatever, and they're really good for bait. If you're gonna go like for big shovelhead or even striped bass, they're good because our baits that we use like swim like these, and they're basically smallmouth, largemouth, whatever you're fishing for, actually like feed on these. So this is a good bait to use if you want to use live bait, but I tend to use artificial bait. That was pretty cool. But those are big ones too. Oh, I keep hooking them and they keep ripping off. Yes. There's one right here. I think they call these like a creek chub. As you can see right here. These fish are good bait. Now let him go. Want to get these like worms, you can go to the pet store and get them. I get mine offline, but either way, they're a good bait. There's some big ones in here, I'm telling you. That's what I'm trying to get. There's like, I know they look small in the water, but if you get one, it's going to be pretty big. Like the other ones I've been catching were small, but he is the earthworm, which I have, and I've been finding them in the woods behind me. Get these at the pet store, also local gas stations, bait shops, but to me, you go find them in your backyard. Don't be lazy. God, there's two huge fish I want. I want to try to get it apart. All right, two big boys. There you go. Oh, there's a big one. Yes. Oh yeah. Woo. There we go. Look at this chubber, boy. Oh my gosh. Look at this chub. Right here. Boom. Whoa. All right, there's some big ones down here I want to get. Drop this worm and see if I get one of them. Go. Go. Oh, I need a bigger one. Here's one. Oh, no. Missed it. Hot dog. Yeah. Oh, there he is. Oh my gosh. No way. No way I missed that. That thing was monster. He came out. Oh my gosh, I think it's monstrous. Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh my gosh. Pumpkin seed. There's pumpkin seeds in here. What in the world? Pumpkin seeds in here. Look at that. Wonder if there's like smallmouth in here since there's pumpkin seeds in there. Pumpkin seed. So that was basically, I went down that stream over there about 3 feet to my right. I mean, it was pretty fun because I caught like 3 creek chubs, and the surprising thing is I caught a pumpkin seed. I didn't know there was pumpkin seed down there. I thought there were just like baby creek fish and all that stuff. Oh my gosh. Stupid motorcycle, but yeah, I mean, I caught 4 fish. That's a really good spot to go when you're bored. If you're not catching anything, there's always going to be fish in there. Wait till it overflows. The thing I want to know is if there's bass in there. I mean, if there's bluegill and pumpkin seeds in there, there's going to have to be smallmouth bass in there. I didn't really stay that long, but the main thing to use is an earthworm. I was throwing a deep diving crankbait, but they were biting it, but they didn't seem to like it as much because they're not that big to eat it. Maybe that pumpkin seed was, but so I'm about to head home, eat some food and get some water because I'm thirsty. All right, guys, thank you for watching. It means a lot to me. Make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. As always, catch big fish. See ya.